Okay, this is behind the scenes at Toowoomba Family Vets. We're just going into the X-ray room here. Hey, Beck.
Hey, Mom.
We are doing a cardiac ultrasound on little Ruby here. Dave, what are you looking at? What are you using?
Yeah, so we're using our ultrasound machine here to have a look over Ruby's heart. She's got a heart murmur, so we're just checking over different chambers of the heart and seeing if there's any enlargement, and just to make sure there's nothing else going on that would change what we do, and this gives us a bit of a tip as to kind of what medications to use and when to start them as well.
Okay. Good work.